financial knowledge is like learning to cook? What? Let's get it on. Alright, so learning financial is like learning how to cook. Okay, for those guys that don't know how to cook, actually it is, alright? It is. When you learn how to cook, you learn step by step, right? You don't go suddenly start cooking the first dish you start to cook, which is a curry or something really complicated, right? You learn with the basics. Like for me, I started with learning Maggi. You know how to cook Maggi, just boil water, put a bit of this, put a bit of that, Maggi, and then you get the Maggi. But even to learn how to do Maggi, to cook Maggi, I was like, how do you know when the Maggi is soft? So even my sister who taught me, was like saying, tak tahulah, tapi macam you kena rasa-rasa. And then she also does not know how to actually tell, how to know when the Maggi is soft. So just like financial, I can tell you how to do it, what to do and everything. But if you don't do it, until then you will not know how it will fit for you. And for everybody, it's a learning curve. And you need to do it step by step. You cannot suddenly, whoa, okay, I have all this money, I'm going to invest 100,000 ringgit, in something like saham or property or whatever. No, you can't do that because you might not have savings, might not have emergency funds, you might not even know what you are trying to do. So you need to go step by step to make sure that you are first in a comfortable place and that you are slowly, improving and going step by step, which is first. So after you have your emergency fund, your buffer and everything, and you have started, you have already started to save, and your money you already put aside every month, say 100, 500, whatever the amount may be, so then once you have extra, then you say, oh, now I have extra, my emergency fund is full, so what do? Okay, then you might go slowly, investing or learning to invest. But you never go straight away to, like, say, cooking. Whoa, I cook curry first time and it menjadi. No. Of course, even if you have learned how to cook Maggi, even when I learned to cook Maggi, at the very beginning, it took me 2 or 3 times to get it actually like, okay, oh, this is how you actually cook Maggi. So even investing and learning how to, how to do all this financial knowledge, save, invest, you need to learn, you need to practice, you need to go on and find what is suitable and tweak it to make it your own and for you to able to move forward, because everything is personal finance. That's why it's called personal finance. It's not group finance. It's personal finance. So it's what fits you. Alright, so you have to do it to be able to know what fits you, what suits you. Alright, so and it needs to go step by step. Alright, so remember, number 1 is, of course, you must learn how to save. Put a money aside, every single month if you're an income earner, so that you know the effects of it. Okay, then you feel, alright, I can only spend X amount after I have put some into my savings. Alright, then only after you have your buffer, 6 months emergency fund, then only you go through slowly investing, maybe to a safe place like ASB, tabung haji and things like that. Alright, then only once you go further, then you say, oh, okay, so this is how it works, and you have seen your money grown and everything. Okay, then maybe slowly start to invest in things, other things like maybe stocks, property, or whatever, or unit trust. I always keep forgetting unit trust, sorry. Okay, unit trust, to learn and invest slowly and to grow your wealth. So that's how you do it. Alright, so alright, high five to you guys for always learning. Alright, and thank you so much. Like and subscribe, please help me to grow my channel. I am thankful to all that have liked and subscribed. I'm really grateful. Alright, I'm Adlina Azmi, a licensed financial planner. Thank you so much. Alright, see you.